Hello, this is Adam speaking from heroherogo.com. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about pretty links. You can get this for free, of course, but I want to show you today a pro version. I have been using pretty links for a very long time. Actually, I will go from up to down. At the end is activation, but I'm right now on the pretty link. So this is page where I add my pretty links. So I won't reveal everything, but let's go to get response. Here's one click. The website is not yet live, so the clicks, or I would say one click, is actually from my own test. So let me go to edit very quick. And this is what you have. When you click add new, this page will open, and then you will just put the title you wish. Then there is redirection, so you can choose out of many here. Basically, I have 307, and this is the one I just keep. Here's target URL, so this is my get response affiliate link, so you can see very easy. Then this pretty link. You can put whatever you like here. I just put try here because it's trial is always free for at least 30 days. And then here are notes. So the notes is just for yourself. Then you have advanced setting. So I have here no follow, and I tick. And then sponsored, I don't have anything. Parametric forwarding and tracking. You can always click on it to find out more what is it and what they recommend, or tell you what eventually to do. And then next is pro. So you can see this, this is really nice. So if you have some links that you would like to expire later, then you just click here, and you can make them expire after certain date or clicks. So when it's date, you just use here the date, the time, hours, even time zone. So it's pretty good. When it comes to clicks, then you can just say after like 100 clicks or something, and then you can redirect that expiry link whatever you wish. So it is very nice features. Then you have the keywords replacement and also a URL replacement. Another thing which I found really nice here is dynamic redirections. So you have rotation, geographic, technology, and time. So let's go to geographic here, and then you can redirect to the countries. And let's say I put here quick Japan, and the Japan is coming, and then URL. Then you have technology, and I was thinking, what's the technology redirects? And it's very easy, because these are devices like desktop, mobile phone, and tablet, and operating system. So you can redirect according to those devices. And here's browsers. So for example, I use Edge, but I use also Brave and Vivaldi. They are not here actually. And then the URL that you want to redirect to. And then we have time. So you can set up also time, start, end. Is a start time, the date again, and end, and then URL. So it's very nice, very powerful features actually. Now let's go then our categories. Actually categories, it's the same like in the WordPress categories. So I set up them there, and then they show up here. I don't have any tags, but it's the same thing. And then you have clicks. Let's go to the clicks. These are my own clicks. I was testing, and you can see like, oh, from this visitor, it's like 13 times he clicked here. So on that link, you can also download, and also you can customize your reports. These are tools, some additional tools. I don't use them at all. And next things are options, and this is where you have many other things like general options and links. So redirection, you can set up default link options, which really makes life easier. So you have redirection 307 here. As I mentioned before, you can choose another one, but I have this one. Enable tracking, of course, no follow, and the sponsor, etc. So these are settings that I have. Reporting, and this is the thing that I wanted to show you. The reporting you saw earlier was extended tracking. I excluded my IP, of course, and you can also whitelist IP address if you wish. Now we go to replacements, keyword and URL auto replacement options. So I have enable replacement and open a new window. So there are many other settings that you can apply. I really don't use them all at the moment. Then auto create links, and this is something that I used at the beginning, but I stopped using. The reason is that there was a lot of links for each post I've done in my previous website. Each post has their own pretty links, and it was a lot of them, and I had to filter always to find my own posts, my own affiliate links. You can also add social buttons. I will show you later. The same you can do for pages, and it will be exactly the same. Pretty link bar. I really don't know much about this. I never never touched this. So honestly saying, I won't just discuss this here right now, but it's something to do with the bar that appears on your website. These are buttons that you can also place on your website. Then you can also make public links. So of course, I don't do this here. Another thing is import and export, so you can always back up your links in case. And at the end we have activation. So right now I have activated 5 of unlimited sites. I bought a little bit on different conditions. It was a very long time ago, as I said, about 7 or 8 years ago. So I have unlimited sites. That's all I wanted to tell you today. I hope you like it. If you do, please click like, subscribe also to this channel, and don't go away yet, because very soon, for those who subscribe, I'll be drawing a prize. The prize will be license, Pretty Links Pro license for life. So no monthly payment or renewals. The license will be for life, activated on your website. So please subscribe here. I will let you know very soon. Besides that, if you have any questions, feedback, please ask. I'll be happy to participate here and answer. So I'm not the one who will run away and leave everybody. Just please ask any questions. Thank you very much, and I speak with you very soon.